Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says in some plants, maturation of female and male sex organs occurs at different times and is known as option A dichogamy, option B hypogamy, option C polygamy, option D epogamy. So let us understand the question. The question says maturation of female and male sex organ occurs at different times. So actually what happens that in most of the flowers, it is possible for them to undergo self-pollination. So as to avoid self-pollination, there are certain devices which are called as outbreeding devices, or you can say these are the mechanism by which the flowers or the plants will avoid self-fertilization. Okay, so these mechanisms are called as outbreeding devices. Okay, so basically there are different types of outbreeding devices. The first one we can say dichogamy, okay, where you can see the maturation of okay, male and female, male and female sex organs and female sex organs are at different time, okay, or happens at different time. Happens at different time. Why? Because if the sex organs are matured at different time, they cannot pollinate, right? The pollen grains cannot pollinate the stigma of its own flower. Okay, so that is what is called as dichogamy, where the maturation of the sex organs occur at different time. Okay, so dichogamy, and this is one of the mechanisms. The second mechanism is hercogamy. Hercogamy. Okay, hercogamy is nothing but the spatial arrangement in such a way that there is no self-pollination. So it is related to the spatial arrangement. Okay, it is related to spatial arrangement of the sex organ so as to avoid self-fertilization. So apart from that, you have pollen pistil interaction. Okay, pollen and pistil incompatibility, you can say pollen pistil incompatibility. Okay, that means the pistil, that is the stigma, will not allow the germination of its own pollen, like of the same flower. So that is what is called as pollen pistil incompatibility. Again, this will avoid the self-pollination condition or self-fertilization condition. Okay, so these are the main these are the main devices of outbreeding methods or mechanism. Now, manually also we can do, that is called as emasculation, that is removal of the anther. Now let us talk about the question again. It says in some plants, maturation of female and male sex organs occurs at different time and is known as. So option A says dichogamy. Yes, that is the correct answer according to our description, because dichogamy is nothing but the maturation of the male and female sex organs which happen at different times so as to avoid self-pollination. Hercogamy is not the mechanism where development will differ. It is based on the spatial arrangement. Okay, that is how it is avoided. Hence, it is ruled. Polygamy is nothing but a condition where the plant will have different types of flowers. That is male flowers, female flowers, and bisexual flowers. Okay, so bisexual flowers. The same plant will be having three types of flowers: male flower, female flower, and bisexual flowers. That's why it is called as polygamy. So this is ruled out. It is nowhere related to the maturation part. Now epogamy. Epogamy is nothing but a condition where the gametophyte gives rise to sporophyte. Gametophyte gives rise to sporophyte without fertilization. Okay, gives rise to sporophyte without fertilization. Okay, that is what is known as epogamy. Okay, like in case of ferns or all, you can see this condition. But here again, it doesn't speak about the maturation part. Okay, maturation of male and female organ at different time. It doesn't speak about that. So hence option A is the right answer. That is nothing but the dichogamy where maturation of male and female organs, sex organs occur at different times. So let us conclude the answer. So the answer is option A, that is dichogamy. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.